At that point, I had already had my master's degree. I'd had many years of work experience. So I decided to look for work abroad, and I ended up here teaching kindergarten. And in 2019, I attended the graduation ceremony of my kindergarten students. So I hope you have the same stories and feelings when, 15 years from now with your first class, because it's very special. Now I still teach, even though I'm high in the administration. I'm one of the founders of Cambridge International School. I still teach IGCSE English. I keep my foot in the teaching side, but also in the administration side. So I tell this to my students who are teenagers: if you say you're going to do something, particularly in classroom management, if you say you're going to do something, you make sure you do it. It's very, very important.